Hello, welcome to today's episode of What's That Star? It's Stellar Sarah.
And Solar Saloni. We'll be looking at the star Rigel.
It's Rigel, you dummy, with a pronounced I.
Okay. Rigel!
You know what? Whatever. Anyways, Rigel is part of the constellation Orion. Orion is part of the Milky Way galaxy.
And milk is really nutritious, full of calcium and...
No, not that. The Milky Way galaxy. It's a spiral galaxy, and we live in it.
Cool beans. This is Rigel. Rigel is a blue supergiant. Look at that flaming hot star.
The luminosity of the star Rigel is about 100,000. The absolute magnitude is negative 7.84. The apparent magnitude is negative 0.12.
Meaning, basically, Rigel is a really bright star.
Shh, we're supposed to make this documentary sound professional. That's why they gave us this job.
Oh, I think I got that. Here's where Rigel lies on the Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Rigel is not a main sequence star as it lies above it and is relatively hot supergiant. Its placement on the upper left corner of the HR diagram means that it's a hot star and it is relatively bright.
That's better.
Thank you.
Rigel has a diameter of 65 million miles, otherwise known as 105 million kilometers.
These impressive numbers make Rigel 70 times bigger than the Sun in size and 18 times the Sun in mass.
The distance between Rigel and Earth,
our very home,
is 864.3 light years, or in scientific notation,
because the number's really big,
8.177 times 10 to the power of 15. And if you were to compare this to the distance of the Sun to the Earth, and the distance,
which we are,
then the distance between the Sun and the Earth is 92.96 million miles.
Subject not to scale.
Anyways, it's time for Completely True Facts.
And we're not being sarcastic.
Numero uno. If Rigel was placed in the center of the solar system, it would almost reach beyond the orbit of planet Mercury.
Factoid dos. I made it sound spacey. Dos means two, by the way. That's some Spanish for you. Rigel is an Arabic space for the left leg of the giant.
In Scandinavian folklore, Rigel is the large toe of Orwandel. In Japan, it's also called Genji Boshi.
Fact 3. Rigel's radiation is 66 more times powerful than the sun's.
You mean 66,000.
Oh yeah, 66,000. Whoops, my bad.
Number 4. Other names for Rigel is Algebra, Beta Orionis, HR 1713, and HD 34085.
Whoa, that's a lot of numbers and so much bland, boring stuff. Ready for the actual interesting stuff? Drumroll, please. Rigel is part of the Star Trek universe and Hitchhiker's Guide to the Universe.
Galaxy.
How cool is that? Movies that I've never watched feature Rigel.
It doesn't really get featured.
Whatever, it's still cool as ice.
Now who's the weirdo?
Still you.
Rigel is the 7th brightest star in the sky. It is called Beta Orionis, even though it's better than Alpha Orionis, which is Betelgeuse.
Well, whatever. A nebulae is a cloud of dust and gas where stars are formed. There's emission, absorption, and reflection nebulae, and we can all agree that emission nebulae are the prettiest.
That's an opinion, not a fact.
Fine, I'll prove it to you right now. Look at the reflection, look at the absorption, and look at all these beautiful emissions. I mean, I guess those look pretty, but what's the prettiest? You got it, emission nebulas.
Actually, I kind of like that.
Oh, what, do I hear something?
Never mind, I'll go next. The white dwarf is a small, dense star the size of a planet. It is formed from the core of a low-mass star.
Blah, blah.
Shush. A protostar is a contracting mass of gas that represents an early formation of a star.
Blah, blah. This is our biography.
Bibliography.
Good night.
While she's sleeping, favorite our show, sign in every day, and thanks for watching our amazing documentary. Goodbye.